Our extremely stable back gauge systems are a standard feature on SafanDarley machines. The base version includes CNC-controlled X and R axes, with manual Z1 and Z2 axes, offering reliable precision for most bending applications. To meet diverse bending needs, SafanDarley offers 3 CNC-controlled back gauge configurations. Option 1. A system with CNC-controlled X, R, and Z1 plus Z2 axes, featuring foldable back gauge fingers for flexible material handling. Option 2. An upgraded system that adds Delta X functionality to the CNC-controlled X, R, and Z1 plus Z2 axes, providing enhanced adaptability for complex bending tasks. Option 3. A full 3D back gauge system with CNC-controlled X, 1 to X2, Z1 to Z2, R1 to R2, delivering maximum precision and versatility for advanced operations. The electronic control system makes the back gauge extremely precise, achieving accuracy of up to 0.02 millimeters. With transfer speeds of up to 350 millimeters per second, SafanDarley back gauges are designed to handle high-performance requirements with ease. The back gauge can be equipped with magnetic inserts or different fingers for consistent and reliable positioning. The stroke adjustments vary depending on the back gauge type and are tailored to match the specific requirements of your machine, ensuring optimal performance for every application. SafanDarley back gauges combine stability, precision, and speed to meet the demands of modern metalworking. Upgrade your press brake today to experience the ultimate in bending performance.